Hello, parents. My name is Dr. Deborah Vereen, and I am a family engagement influencer. That simply means that I work to strengthen the capacity of educators and parents to work together as partners so that the educational experience for students would be strengthened. Prior to assuming this role of family engagement influencer, I worked in various capacities in public education and at the collegiate level. I worked as a family consumer sciences teacher, principal, director of pupil personnel services, the director of the ESL program, and the assistant to the superintendent for for family and community involvement and volunteerism. But my most important role is being a parent. My daughter is enrolled in high school, and I value family engagement, not just as a professional, but from a personal perspective. Family engagement goes beyond the traditional roles parents play as they are involved in their child's education and as they participate in their child's education. I actually have a definition of family engagement that I'd like to share with you. Family engagement refers to the mutual dedication, the mutual cooperation, and the mutual support that parents and caregivers share with educators as children are being educated. So it's important that parents and caregivers function as partners as their children are being educated. I'd like to mention something else along the lines of family engagement. That is parental empowerment. Parental empowerment does not refer to the power that parents have to control what goes on within a school. That is not family engagement at all. It's simply parents being powerful. On the other hand, parental empowerment focuses on the confidence that parents must have to engage with their child's educators, to be partners with their child's educators. So, with that in mind, I want to take this opportunity to encourage all of you to be engaged as parents. And I encourage you to be empowered as parents. When we as parents are involved and are empowered to work with our child's educators, our children reap wonderful, wonderful benefits. Not just benefits now, but benefits that will last their entire life. It's almost as though what we do as engaged parents who are empowered are seeds that we plant in their lives. So remember, engagement and empowerment are very, very critical functions in education today. I actually have an article that I published that I would like to share in a link for you to read. So I wish you much success as you continue in your capacity to be empowered and engaged. Thank you.